description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got one that came by way of James from Lakeside, California, and I did the unboxing yesterday. Thanks, man. This is, yesterday being July 15th, so this is Maggi Spicy Barbecue. This is from India. This is a 4-pack. But when you get these 4-packs, more often than not, the contents of the 4-pack look kind of like this. They're usually like really broken up. There's a long strip of seasonings, but it's very hard to figure out exactly how big a serving is. Because see, you've got pieces like that, pieces like that. So I'm going to guess this is about what we're looking for. So I'm dropping that in boiling water. I've got to drop in one of the seasonings as well. Scissors I need. Yes. Hope you're all doing well. I'm still feeling like crap. Extreme crap. Okay, so good, rocking and rolling. Spicy barbecue from India. I have no idea what to expect from this. Other than, wow, this pot is like steaming like crazy, so it burnt me. There we go. We need, is it 2 minutes and 1 extra minute? So you can watch it go while I double check. Yeah, 2 minutes and then 1 extra minute. And you just stir it till it sucks everything up. That's what you do. Or at least sucks almost all of it up. Yeah, today is the 16th day of July, and it is, it's a hot day. Very hot day. And yeah, I am still feeling really sick. It's crummy. It's like it started with my leg acting funny, and then there was a big thing on my leg, and then they prescribed me antibiotics. I may just be like really allergic to these antibiotics, but my leg still hurts, so that's not a plus. So I'm going to talk to my physician tomorrow. He's from Taiwan. Okay. Bubble, bubble, bubble. And the funny news today is that I know you're probably getting sick of hearing me drop stuff that's like ancient for you about Trump, but he let out a screed on Truth Central about the Epstein stuff, saying anybody who's into this anymore, you're weak, pitiful people. I don't want your support. Blah 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 blah. That's like his base, man. That's like, there are going to be some hardcores that hang on, but there's going to be a lot of people that he loses because of that. And I don't know who's giving him advice, but that doesn't seem like a good plan. But whatever. I'm not looking to give him good advice. Other than, be a person, not what you've been lately. So it's got to set for a minute. Barbecue, huh? See, that's the thing. I know what barbecue flavored noodles would taste like here in the U.S. Like Western U.S. style barbecue Indian style barbecue. I don't know. All I'm thinking is maybe it'll be really, really smoky. I'm not sure. And also, I think I could have used a little bit more noodle on this one because these generally really don't have much of any broth per se, and this has a little bit going on. So let's see what we got here. You kind of... Oh, and you're supposed to break it up into multiple pieces. I forgot to do that. But here is our barbecue stuff. I'll give it a try. Spicy. Quite spicy. Wow. Not Hothead's spicy barbecue, but did you ever try that? Maggi Hotheads? Maggi Hotheads there was a green chili variety from that range way back, and boy, that'd tear the paint off your walls, I swear. That was really spicy stuff. People really liked it too. Okay, what's going on here? Here we go. So yes, what I'm telling you is I'm going to spend a little while in the kitchen on the hottest day of the year messing around with noodles. I don't mind though. I think it's fun. The noodle's all right. I'm going to say this is good, but I much rather have just the regular Maggi 2-minute noodles. Those are where it's at. Maggi masala. Actually, they've got an oat noodle too, which has got a really nice texture. But yeah, this is your standard kind of interesting Maggi stuff. I think he also sent me a curry, like a smooth curry. I can't remember. Yeah, I got a lot of neat stuff yesterday. But cool, there we are. Honestly, when I get to this point, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna be all right. I'm gonna do these reviews. I'm gonna get them done. So yeah. So there you go. A little quick rotation. Alright, so the next one you're going to see, I got a lot of this stuff from this company last week, and I wanted to do some before I did the unboxing video so you can at least see something that I'm doing with it. This is from Good Soul, and this is their rapaki. So this is a combination of ramen, which is the noodle, and bokboki, which are the rice cake tubes. So, and it's cheese flavor, so that should be interesting. And this has been Hans, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.